Education as an investment for human resource and socio-economic development. Pay A. For Odisha B. Ed Education Honors. Education as an investment for human resource and socio-economic development. Introduction. Education is not just a tool for getting jobs, it is an investment in human beings. When a country invests in education, it helps to develop its human resources, skilled, knowledgeable, and capable people who can improve the social and economic progress of the nation. Meaning of human resource. Human resource means people who have knowledge, skills, and abilities to contribute to society and the economy. An educated person becomes a better worker, leader, innovator, and citizen. How education is an investment. Education is like planting a seed. It takes time and care, but gives long-term benefits. It improves individual life and also helps family, society, and the country. Role of education in human resource development. Builds knowledge and skills. Education trains people in various fields like science, technology, farming, health, etc. Improves productivity. Skilled workers and professionals help industries, agriculture, and services to grow faster. Encourages innovation. Educated minds develop new ideas, inventions, and solutions to problems. Develops leadership and citizenship. Education teaches values like cooperation, honesty, and responsibility. Role of education in socio-economic development. Economic growth. Educated people earn more, start businesses, and pay taxes that support the economy. Improves health and living standards. Literate individuals understand hygiene, nutrition, and health care better. Reduces poverty and unemployment. Education helps people get jobs or start self-employment. Women empowerment. Education gives confidence and freedom to girls and women, improving family and society. Promotes social equality. Education reduces discrimination and provides equal opportunity to all, including SC and OBC women. Supports peace and democracy. Educated citizens make better decisions, follow laws, and support democratic values. Indian concept and efforts. India considers education as a national investment for building a strong nation. Important Indian thoughts. Swami Vivekanand, education is the manifestation of the perfection already in man. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam believed that youth and education can build a strong India. Mahatma Gandhi supported Nai Talim, education through productive work. Government initiatives in India. Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan, SSA, education for all children, ages 6-14. Midday meal scheme encourages school attendance and improves nutrition. Skill India Mission develops job-related skills in youth. NEP 2020 modernizes education to match future needs. Digital India PM eVidya promotes online education and digital skills. Challenges in India. High dropout rates in rural and poor areas. Lack of quality teachers and infrastructure. Gender inequality in access to education. Limited focus on skill-based learning. Suggestions for improvement. Improve school facilities and teacher training. Promote vocational and skill-based education. Give more access to digital and online learning. Encourage public-private partnerships in education. Make education inclusive for all sections of society. Conclusion. Education is not a waste of money. It is the most powerful investment for the future of a person and the country. By developing educated and skilled human resources, India can reduce poverty, increase income, promote equality, and become a global leader. If you educate a man, you educate an individual, but if you educate a woman, you educate a family and a nation. African